In this Bluehost website builder tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to build a website with Bluehost step by step from start to finish. I'll be showing you how to access professional pre-designed website templates using the Bluehost AI site creator, making it fast and easy to build your website from scratch. I'll also be going over how to edit your website with the Bluehost website builder so you can create a professional looking website on Bluehost web hosting via drag and drop. I'll also be providing you with a Bluehost discount that would get you 83% off Bluehost hosting plus a free domain name. Let's get started with the Bluehost website builder tutorial. The first thing you want to do to build your website with Bluehost is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to Bluehost, and so you can take advantage of our exclusive Bluehost discount, where you'll be getting a free domain name and a Bluehost web hosting discount for your website. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning you'll receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Bluehost page. Click the View Plans button. You'll now be on the Bluehost Plans section. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Basic, Choice Plus, and E-commerce Premium plan. The Basic plan comes with 10 websites, 10 GB SSD storage, and is ideal for 40,000 visits per month. The Choice Plus plan comes with 50 websites, 50 GB SSD storage, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. The Choice Plus plan comes with phone support, daily website backups free for the first year, and domain privacy free for the first year. The e-commerce premium plan comes with 100 websites, 100 NVMe storage, and is ideal for 400,000 website visits per month. Automated real-time backups with Jetpack and WooCommerce auto install. This plan is good if you're going to have an online store, as it comes with a bunch of extras like store analytics, secure online payments, bookings and appointments, shipping labels, product search and filtering, gift card creation, wish list, customer account customization, sales and promotions builder by Wondercart, and more. Something I want to mention is you can have an e-commerce site with the Basic or Choice Plus plan as well. You just won't get the extra e-commerce features the Bluehost e-commerce premium plan provides. I'm going to choose the Basic plan for this tutorial. Once you decide on the plan to choose, click the Select button. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name for your site. You can type in and search available domains in the search field. If you click from the drop down where you see .com, you can choose the domain extension that your domain name ends in. If you already own a domain name, you can enter it in where it says, I want to use a domain I already own. If you can't decide on a domain name, you can click the Choose Domain Later link, and you can choose your free domain name at a later date in the Bluehost dashboard. You'll see Add Domain Privacy Plus Protection. I highly recommend keeping this selected, as it'll keep your personal information private so that spammers and telemarketers won't have access to your personal information and contact you by phone and email with offers of their services. When you register a domain name, no matter what company you choose, the domain goes into the public Whois database, as domain names are regulated. If you select Domain Privacy Plus Protection, it'll show Bluehost default contact information instead of yours. You'll now be on the cart page. You'll see your hosting plan here. If you click from the drop down, you can select the term for your web hosting purchase. You get the lowest pricing with the 1-year term. You'll see the add-ons here. If you don't want any of them, you can click the trash can icon to remove them. Professional email is if you want an email address ending in your domain name with a custom inbox. Add security for your email, your contacts and calendars to sync, Drive to share files, create and manage tasks, and create documents from a full suite of tools. I do want to note that Bluehost does come with free email addresses ending in your domain name, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you really want to utilize all the added features provided by professional email. Content Creator Solution is an add-on that is an all-in-one toolkit to monetize your website. It comes with features such as email marketing, SEO optimization, memberships, subscriptions, and secure payment gateways, all while saving $600 annually. It includes PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, Yoast SEO, and more. Google Workspace Business Starter provides you with an email address ending in your domain name, along with other features provided by Google Workspace, such as Gmail, Calendar, Chat, Cloud Storage with Drive, Video Conferencing with Meet, and many more Google Workspace features. I do want to note that Bluehost does come with free email addresses ending in your domain name, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you really want to utilize all the added features with Google Workspace. Click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed. You now want to input your contact information and your account information. Next, choose your payment method and input your payment details. Complete your payment by clicking the Submit Payment button. Bluehost will now email you your Bluehost receipt. You'll be taken to a thank you for your purchase page while your hosting account is loading. Once it is done, you'll see your new WordPress site is installed. You'll see the Login to WordPress button. Click this to be taken to WordPress. You'll now be on the Welcome to WordPress page. You can choose to create your site with the AI Site Creator. You can import a website, or you'll see I'm following a tutorial, take me to the WordPress dashboard. To build your website using the Bluehost Website Builder, you want to select the AI Site Creator. Next, you'll be taken to the Tell me some details about the site you want created. You'll see the example text with all the details of the business input. You want to make sure you input as much as you can here with things you want on your site and things you'll be showcasing on your site. You want to start by entering your business name. I'll type in Demo Marketing Company. I'll paste in the text I have already pre-written that I want included in the site. I'll click the Next button. Next, you can upload a logo if you have one. If you don't have one now, no worries. You can add one in the Website Builder editor. I'll click Skip for now. It'll begin building your website. You'll see how familiar are you with using WordPress. You can select the best option based on your experience. I'm going to click Expert. Once it's done building the different versions for your site, you'll be taken to the page where it'll give you 3 different website designs for you to start with. You'll see the different versions of your site you can choose from. You can click the heart if you like any. You'll see Regenerate. If you don't like one, you can click Regenerate and it'll regenerate a different version for that template. If you hover over a version, click into it and it'll bring up a preview of that version. Up at the top, if you click Customize, you can then change the colors if you'd like. If you click Pick Your Own Colors, this is where you can input your own colors if you have brand colors for your business. You'll see where you can change the fonts if you'd like and preview what it will look like. If you click Select Your Own Fonts, you can choose custom fonts for the heading and body if you'd like. To reset changes back to the default settings it first showed, you just click Reset here at the top. Up at the top, you can heart the design if you like it. Where you see the version of your site, from the drop-down, you can select View All and it'll bring up all the versions you can preview. Just click on one and you can preview it. If for some reason you don't like any of them, you can click the Regenerate button and it'll regenerate 3 new designs you can preview. Once you find the one you want, click the Save and Continue button. You'll now be taken to the Welcome to Bluehost page. You can get to this page by clicking Bluehost over on the left side menu. If you hover over your site design, you can click View Your Site to bring up a view of your site. You can click Edit Your Site to be taken to the editor where you can begin editing your website. Before we start editing and building our site with the Bluehost Website Builder, I want to cover the Bluehost Control Panel. I'm here in the Bluehost Control Panel homepage. In the left side menu, click Websites. If you click Edit Site, it'll take you to WordPress dashboard where you can begin creating and editing your website. In the Bluehost Control Panel, under Websites, if you click Settings, you'll see your Bluehost name servers are listed here below in case you need them. Click Edit WordPress Site to be taken to WordPress. Now let's go over how to make edits to the template and how to use the Bluehost Website Builder to create our site. Hover over your site title name up at the top. Click Visit Site. This will bring up the view of our website. To make edits to your site, click the Edit page in the top toolbar. It'll now bring you to the Bluehost Website Builder where you can create your site quick and easy with the drag and drop editor. To make edits to a part of the page, just click where you want to make edits and start making edits. I can change the text here from Elevate Your Online Presence to This is my demo website builder tutorial. You'll see you can change the heading type by clicking into H1. You can change the alignment of the text. You can make the text bold, italic. If you click the link icon, you can then input a link you want it to link to. Or if you type in a page on your site, you can select it so it links to it. You click the submit icon to have it link out. If you click the arrow icon, you can select from different options if you want to add anything. Over to the right, you'll see entrance animations. If you click this, you can choose to have an animation show if you'd like. You can change the delay of the animation. Next, if you click the styles icon, under color, you'll see text. Click into it, and you can change the text color. If you click background, you can change the background color. And under typography, you can change the size of the text. You can change the height. If you click border, you can change the border. If I click into another text area, I can make edits like I just covered. Next, let's cover how to change the background image and colors for this top section. If you click into this top section here, over to the right, if you click the styles icon, scroll down to where you see add background image, click this. If you click upload, you can upload an image. If you click open media library, if you click upload files, you can upload a file here as well. If you click media library, you can choose an image already uploaded to WordPress. I'll select this image here I already uploaded for this tutorial. Click the select button. You'll see the image has now been uploaded and is showing. Over to the right, if you click into the image here, under focal point, you can click different areas of the image to change the view of the focal point of the image. You'll see other image settings you can make here. If you scroll up to styles, you can change the style of what's showing. If you scroll down to color, where you see text, you can change the text color, background color. If you scroll down, you'll see where you can change the size of the font under typography. Under dimensions, you can change the margin and padding. Under border and shadow, you can change the border of the image if you'd like, and the radius. Next, let's go over editing a button. I'll scroll down to this section here. You'll see the button showing here. Click into the button and you can change the text if you'd like. You'll see the toolbar where you can make edits like shown earlier in the text section. If you click the link icon, you can add a link or type in the page you want the button to link to, and when clicked, it'll link out to the page or link you put. You can change the width of the button. If you click Enhance Animations, under Animations, you can select an animation if you'd like. You can choose a delay for the animation. If you click the Styles icon, under Styles, you can change the style of the button. Under Color, you can change the text color, the background color. Under Typography, you can change the size of the text. Under Dimensions, you can change the padding. Under Border and Shadow, you can change the border and radius. Next, I'll scroll up to this section here. To change the background color like seen here, just click into it. Over to the right, click the Styles icon. You can change the style and look of it here. Under Color, if you click Text, you can change the text color. If you click Background, you can change the background color showing. If you scroll down, you can make changes to the text settings like shown earlier. If you want to change an image on the page, just click into it and click Replace. You can then upload an image or click Open Media Library to upload or choose an image already uploaded to WordPress. I'll select one I've already uploaded to WordPress. I'll click the Select button. The image has now been changed. You'll see over to the right, you can put in the alternative text, which is the alt text, and other image settings that you can change here. You'll see this background color showing here in this section. To change this, just click into it. Click the style icon. If you click where you see background, you can change the background color to whatever you'd like. Next, I want to go over how to add a new section to the page using Wonder Blocks. Click the Wonder Blocks button here at the top. You'll see a bunch of pre-made Wonder Blocks you can select from to add to your page to make the website creation process quick and easy. You'll see Patterns is selected. You can select a category here to view blocks within that category. If you want a pricing section added to a page, you can click Pricing and view pricing blocks to add it to the page. If you click Menu, you can add a menu to your page if you are a restaurant, for example. Gallery will give you lots of different gallery layouts. If you click Usage, you can select from things over on the left to add to the page. If you click Templates, this is how you can add an entire new page to your site where you can easily add your info and make changes as needed. I'll click Home. It'll list out home templates you can use. If you put your mouse over one, it'll slowly show you the preview of what the template will look like. There are a lot of great templates that you can use to get your site to look like you want. Just click into one or click the plus icon to add it to the page. I'll click Patterns. I'll click Features. I'll add this one to the page as an example. I'll click it. You'll see it's been added to the page, and you can click to what you want to edit like covered in the tutorial. If you want to move something to somewhere else on the page, just click into something, click the arrow icon down to move it down, or click the arrow up button to move it up. To move an entire section, just click into this area here. Click the up arrow icon to move it up, or the down arrow icon to move it down. If you want to duplicate something, click into what you want to duplicate, click the three dots icon, click Duplicate, and it'll be duplicated. If you want to delete something, click into what you want to delete, click the three dots icon, click Delete to delete it. If you want to add something to a section, just click the plus icon here at the top. It'll pull up stuff you can drag in over from the side. You'll see all the Wonder Blocks you can add like shown earlier. If you scroll down, you'll see different categories of things you can add to the page. Let's say I want to add a headline text to the page. I'll find it and click it and drag it into wherever I want it to be on the page. You can then edit the text like shown earlier in the tutorial. If you click Patterns, you'll see patterns you can select from. I'll click Gallery as an example. You'll see the gallery patterns you can browse and choose from. To add this to the page, go to where you want to add it. Click in this top section here so you aren't clicked into an individual area within that section. Click the pattern you want to add and it'll add it to the page where you can start editing it. Now let's get to know the Bluehost website builder better. To save changes, click the Save button at the top. If you click the View icon, you can select to view what your site looks like on desktop devices, tablet devices, and mobile devices. If you click Preview in New tab, it'll bring up a preview of your page so you can view what your changes look like. If you click the View Page icon, it'll bring up a view of your page. You can undo and redo changes here. If you click the Document Overview icon here, this will be the different sections of your site and the order. You can easily change the order by clicking over one and dragging it to where you want it. Next, I want to go over Yoast SEO that comes already installed with the Bluehost website builder that will help guide you to rank well and put together your pages for SEO. You'll see the Yoast SEO icon here at the top. Click this. You'll see Focus Key Phrase. This is where you'll input your main focus key phrase that you want the page to rank for. I'll input Demo Marketing Company as an example. You'll see the SEO analysis. If you click this, scroll down and you'll see problems. It'll list out things you can do to make the SEO of the page better based on your focus keyword you input. I'll scroll down and you'll see improvements. It'll give you improvements to make to the page. And you'll see good. This is the things you are doing good for the SEO of the page. Next, scroll down and click into Readability Analysis. It'll showcase problems you can improve on the page and the things that are good on the page. If you scroll down to Search Appearance and click it, you can view your search results for the page via mobile and desktop. You'll see the SEO title here. This will be this text showing here. You can erase what is there if you'd like and input the page title that you want. Slug is the URL of the page, and you don't need to worry about this unless you want to change the URL of your page. Next, you'll see meta description. This is the text area here in the search results for your page. You can input one that you'd like. Once you are done making changes, click the Return to your page button. If you click Advanced, you'll see Allow search engines to show this content in search results. From the dropdown, you can change this if you'd like. Next, you'll see should search engines follow links on this content. You can choose yes or no based on your needs. I recommend keeping this to yes. Next, if you click Insights, it'll give you insights here on the page and will give you improvements to make if needed, like seen here. When you make changes, be sure to click the Save button to save your changes. Next, I want to go over how to add and customize a contact form for your site. I'll click the View Page icon to bring up a view of my page. I'll click the Contact Us page. I'll now be on the Contact page. Click the Edit Page tab in the top toolbar. You'll now be taken to the editor for the Contact Us page. If you click into a section in the form, you can make changes. You'll see Field is required. You can toggle this on or off if you want the field to be required. You can input a placeholder text if you want one to show. You can change the width size of that field to what you'd like. Next, under the color section, click Text to change the text color. Click Field Text to change the field text color. You can click Field Background to change the field background color. And if you click Border, you can change the color of the border. If you click Input Field Styles, you can change the size of the field style. You can change the line height, border width, and border radius. If you click Label Styles, you can change the size of the label style and line height. Entrance Animations is where you can add animations if you'd like to the form. If you click this area here, you can make changes here to the settings. If you click into this text area in the form, if you scroll down to the Consent Settings, you'll see Permission to Email. From the dropdown, you can have this message show here, or you can add a privacy checkbox if you'd like. If you click the Send Message button, you can make changes to the text color and background color of the button. You can change the border radius. You can change the width size of the button. You can add animations if you'd like. If you click the Styles icon, you can choose for the button to be fill or outline. You can change the font size under typography and the border. Be sure to click the Save button to save your changes. When someone fills out the form, you'll get an email to the WordPress admin email address you have. Now let me show you how to make sure you have a correct email set up for this and how to view the Contact Us form entries. Click the WordPress icon in the top left. From the WordPress dashboard, click Feedback in the left side menu. Click Responses and it'll show you the form entries here. To make sure you have the correct email address to receive the form entries, hover over Settings in the left side menu. Click General. Next, scroll down to where you see Administration email address. Make sure this is the email you want to use. If you make changes, scroll down to the bottom and click the Save Changes button. Now let's get to know the WordPress dashboard better. If you hover over the Pages tab, click Add Page to add a new page to your site. If you click All Pages, it'll showcase all the pages on your site. If you hover over the Media tab and click on Library, it'll show you all the images you've uploaded in WordPress. If you click Add Media File at the top, you can then upload or drag in an image into WordPress. If you hover over Post and click Add Post, you can create a new blog post for your site. If you click All Posts, it'll pull up all the posts you have on your site. If you click the Comments tab, you will see all the comments you have on your blog post. You can easily reply, mark it as spam, or trash the comment. If you hover over the Plugins tab and click Add Plugin, you can click any of these options to get to the Plugins page. I'll click Featured. You can then search for or browse plugins to add to your site. Any feature or customization you might want on your site, more than likely there's a plugin for that. Next, I want to go over how to customize and edit the menu on your site. Hover over Appearance in the left side menu. Click Editor. Next, click Navigation. It'll list out all the pages showing in your current navigation menu. You can click one and drag it to wherever you'd like. If you click the three dots next to one and click Remove, you can remove that page from being in the navigation menu. If you click the three dots next to Navigation, click Edit. It'll take you where you can edit the menu on your site. Just click into a page in the menu. Over to the right, you can change the name of the text for the page. You can link the page out to where you'd like it. You can add a description if you'd like. If you click the style icon, you can change the size of the text and the width settings. In the menu, if you click the plus icon found here, this is how you can add another page that you want to have in the menu. You can make edits just like shown. I'll click the WordPress icon to go back to the previous page. I'll click the back icon twice. If you click Styles, if you click Browse Styles, you can change the color variation of the site to one if you'd like. I'll click the back icon. If you click Typography, it'll list out available fonts to be used. If you scroll down, under Elements, you can easily click into what you'd like. You can change the font, size, font appearance, and different settings for the font. I'll click the back icon. Where you see font sizes, if you click into it, you can change the font size for the site. I'll click the back icon and scroll up and click the back icon again. If you click Color, under Palette, click Edit Palette and you can edit the template palette. I'll click the back icon. Under Elements, you can click into what you want and change the colors for that throughout your site. I'll click the back icon. At the bottom, where you see blocks, click this. This is where you can make changes to the specific blocks for your entire site. For example, if I click a button, I can make changes to the style of the button, text color, background color, font, size, and other settings. Once done, click the Review Change button, and then save your changes. If you want to make changes to the site icon, also known as the favicon, site title, and tagline of your site, from the view of your site, click Customize in the top toolbar. Click Site Identity. You can then change the site title of your site here. You can change the site tagline of your site. If you click Select Site Icon, you can change the site icon for your site. Click the Publish button to save your changes. You now know how to access pre-made professional templates using the Bluehost website builder, how to build a website with Bluehost, and making edits to it using the drag and drop editor. That is my Bluehost website builder tutorial going over how to create and build your website with Bluehost web hosting. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment, letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.